Occupational hazard. Workplace risk elements include presence of hazard, probability of exposure, probability of risk, false answer, probability of harmful effect, probability of vulnerability. Process of risk assessment. Hazard identification, exposure assessment, risk categorization. Pneumoconiosis in coal workers is known as anthracosis. False answer, anthrax, an- anthracnose, anthracnose, anthracosile black lung disease. Offensive traits are: true answer, slaughtering, fat melting in grease industry, boiling bone in fertilizer factory. False answer, steel factory, garments industry. Various offensive traits example: tannery and leather processing, slaughtering of animal, keeping animals and animal trading, fat melting or boiling in grease factory, bone boiling and drying in fertilizer factory, gut scraping, brick field, cement, fertilizer, lime factories, corrosive chemical producing factory, dusty mills, jute, rice, flour, wool, cotton, sugar, paper mill, tobacco factory. Physical hazards in occupational environment are: answer, electricity, cold. False answer, acid, dust, fall from height. Occupational hazard, disease due to physical change, heat, cold, light, pressure, noise, radiation, mechanical factor, electricity. Disease due to chemical agent, gases, dust. Inorganic dust, coal dust, anthracosis, silica, silicosis, asbestos, asbestosis, cancer lung, iron siderosis. Organic dust, cane fiber bagasosis, cotton dust bicyanosis, tobacco tobacosis, hay or grain dust, farmer's lung, cane fiber bagasosis, cotton dust bicyanosis, tobacco tobacosis, hay or grain dust, farmer's lung. এছাড়া আছে মেটাল অ্যান্ড দেয়ার কম্পাউন্ড, কেমিক্যাল, সলভেন্ট, ডিজিজ ডিউ টু বায়োলজিক্যাল এজেন্ট, occupational cancer, occupational dermatosis, disease of psychological origin. Disease due to physical agent, heat hyperpyrexia, heat exhaustion, heat syncope, heat cramps, burns, and local effects such as prickly heat, cold, trench foot, frostbite, chilblains. Light, occupational cataract, minors nystagmus. Pressure, Keystone disease, air embolism, blast. Noise, occupational deafness. Radiation, cancer, leukemia, aplastic anemia, pancytopenia. Mechanical factor, injuries, accidents, electricity, burns. Disease due to chemical agent, gases, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, HCN, CH2, NH3, N2, H2S, hydrogen sulfide, HCl, hydrochloric acid, sulfur dioxide, SO2. Dust, pneumoconiosis, inorganic dust, organic dust. এছাড়া মেটাল অ্যান্ড আদার কম্পাউন্ডস, টক্সিক হ্যাজার্ডস ফ্রম লিড, মার্কারি, ক্যাডমিয়াম, ম্যাঙ্গানিজ, বেরিলিয়াম, আর্সেনিক, ক্রোমিয়াম, কেমিক্যাল, অ্যাসিড, অ্যালকালি, পেস্টিসাইড, সলভেন্টস, কার্বন বাইসালফাইড, বেনজিন, ট্রাইক্লোরোইথাইলিন, chloroform. Disease due to biological agent, brucellosis, leptospirosis, anthrax, actinomycosis, hydatidosis, psittacosis, tetanus, encephalitis, fungal infection. Occupational cancer, cancer of skin, lung, bladder. Occupational dermatosis, dermatitis, eczema. Disease of psychological origin, industrial neurosis, hypertension, peptic ulcer. Inorganic dusts are true answer asbestos, silica, false answer tobacco, cotton dust, grain dust. Occupational hygiene encompasses true answer hazard management, healthcare management, false answer toxicological management, personal management, process management. Features of silicotuberculosis are true answer impairment of total lung capacity, nodular fibrosis, false answer high sputum, AFB positive, ground glass appearance on X-ray chest, children are at risk. Silicosis, dense nodular fibrosis, irritant cough, dyspnea on exertion, pain in the chest, impairment of total lung capacity, snowstorm appearance of X-ray in the lung fields. Occupational cancer is caused by true answer asbestos, radon, false answer bagasos, bicinus, silicon. Details: occupational cancer, skin cancer, coal tar, X-ray, certain oil, dye, lung cancer, nickel, chromate, asbestos, coal tar, radioactive substance, cigarette smoking, bladder cancer, beta naphthylamine, benzidine, pyramidodiphenyl, oramine, magenta, leukemia, benzol, Röntgen ray, radioactive substance, nose cancer, certain type of hardwood dust, angiosarcoma of liver, vinyl chloride monomer, bone cancer, radium mesothelioma of pleura, asbestos, cancer of pharynx and larynx, mustard gas. Criteria of occupational cancer. They appear after prolonged exposure. The period between exposure and the development of disease may be as long as 10 to 25 years. The disease may develop even after the cessation of the exposure. The average age incidence is earlier than that for cancer in general. The average age incidence is earlier than that for cancer in general. The localization of the tumor is remarkably constant in any occupation.